The morning sun gently rises over Los Angeles, revealing a city renewed by the recent storm. Breezy awakens, her blue ribbons dancing as she prepares to help nature bloom again. Sunny awakens, her golden hair glowing as she spreads her warmth across the city. Together, Breezy and Sunny float through the sky, ready to restore harmony after the storm. Breezy glides over the hills, her ribbons brushing the fresh grass, bringing playful energy to the land. Sunny beams her golden light onto a small river, bringing warmth and sparkle to the flowing water. Together, Breezy and Sunny guide the storm's water into the land, helping new plants to grow. A family of birds returns to the refreshed forest, chirping joyfully as they nest in the trees. Sunny's golden light reveals new flowers blooming after the storm, painting the hills with color. Breezy carries seeds across the refreshed land, helping them find a new home to grow. The birds chirp happily, but smoke far in the distance reminds them of challenges ahead. Sunny brightens the scene, reassuring the birds and encouraging new life to flourish. Breezy swirls through the forest, spreading seeds and encouraging regrowth after the storm. Sunny's light gently touches the ground, encouraging green shoots to grow after the fire. Breezy swirls over the ashes, lifting them away to reveal fresh, fertile soil underneath. Together, Breezy and Sunny bring life back to the hills, where flowers start to bloom again. A deer steps carefully onto the refreshed forest floor, finding safety and peace once again. The forest begins to sing again, with birds chirping and life returning after the storm and fires. Breezy spreads her ribbons, guiding fresh rainwater into the roots of thirsty trees. Sunny warms the forest floor, helping flowers open and filling the air with color. In the distance, a firefighter works bravely to ensure the forest's safety. Breezy and Sunny watch the firefighter, grateful for the care given to their forest. The animals return, finding safety in the rejuvenated forest, singing nature's melody. Breezy dances through the treetops, her ribbons weaving between branches to spread joy. Sunny shines through the canopy, creating a kaleidoscope of light and colors on the forest floor. A young tree grows strong, its leaves reaching up to Breezy and Sunny's warm energy. Breezy and Sunny bring together all the elements of nature to restore harmony to the land. A soft breeze carries the scent of fresh flowers and the forest hums with new life. Breezy and Sunny watch proudly as the forest thrives, knowing their work is complete. The forest stands tall and strong, a reminder that nature can always heal with care and love. A soft breeze carries Sunny's golden light across the hills, uniting the land in harmony. The city below shines brightly, inspired by the harmony restored to the hills and forests. Breezy and Sunny guide a family of birds back to their rebuilt nest in the treetops. The animals of the forest rejoice as harmony and safety return to their home. Breezy and Sunny leave a magical glow over Los Angeles, ready for their next adventure. Los Angeles stands tall and strong, a city reborn through care, love, and harmony. The golden sky glows softly as Breezy and Sunny leave behind a city full of hope. Below, the people of Los Angeles celebrate their renewed home with love and laughter. Breezy leaves a gentle breeze as a reminder of nature's care and kindness. Sunny casts one final ray of golden light, filling the city with warmth and peace. Breezy and Sunny fade into the sky, leaving a magical glow as a gift for the city. And so, Los Angeles stands tall, a symbol of hope, resilience, and harmony.
Like this video and subscribe to join Breezy and Sunny's magical adventures.